Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iTel S24 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and enter the first code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another code, which is *##, 225 ###. And here we've got the calendar information, so we can check all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. Alright, let's go back, and another code, which is *##, 426 ###. So here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view, just tap on the status again, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and the last code, which is *##, 4636 ###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check some kind of phone information where we've got the IMEI number again, data service, voice and network type, etc. We can run ping test right here. And after tapping on the three dots icon, you can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Here we've got usage statistics, and basically here we should have the list of apps which are currently installed on the device with the time you've spent on them. However, for some reason it does not work now. And the Wi-Fi information, for example the status, where you can refresh the stats and check them. For example, network state, SSID or network ID. You can also run ping test here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.